Hi everybody, I'm Carrie from the Frog Project, and this short routine is for you to feel energized and strong in your body, in your mind, perfect for the morning or the afternoon or whenever you need a little bit of a shift in your mood, in your energy levels, and you don't need anything but a space, some comfy clothes. Let's get started. So bring yourself into standing and come to the front of your mat. Bring the hands to heart center. Take a nice big breath in, lift the chest towards the thumbs, and as you exhale, lower the chin a little bit to lengthen out the back of the neck. Standing tall, feel the weight between both feet on the floor. Gently close the eyes. Relax the shoulders, the jaw. Take a breath here. And as you exhale, release the hands by the side of the body. As you inhale, lift everything up. Take up all the space around you as you stretch tall. Take hold of the left wrist as you take a nice big breath in. Bend the elbows and let everything soften over towards the right. Press down through the left foot to increase the stretch in the side of the body. Inhale everything back to the center. As you exhale, soften over to the other side. Inhale back to the center, reach up through the fingers. As you exhale, put a bend in the knees, soften, relax the head, everything forward, forward, fold. Press through the fingers, step back to your downward facing dog. Take a breath or two here. A bend in the knees if that feels nice. And as you exhale, lower the heels towards the floor, feel the back of the body opening up. Take a couple of breaths here. Step the right toes in, lift the left foot off the floor, coming into your three-legged downward dog. If it feels nice, open the knee and the foot back behind you. Take a moment here to roll around in the hips, softening everything back down, and then opening everything back out again. A couple more breaths, just like that, rolling around in the hips, making some space. And then when you're ready, step this left foot between the hands, put some weight into the foot and lift yourself up into a high lunge. Inhale everything tall and exhale, softening over this front foot. A couple more breaths just like that. Inhale to raise you up and exhale, softening in. One more breath. At the end of this exhale, lower the back heel, open the arms, the chest, the hips towards the front. Warrior two. Inhale to raise you up. And exhale, softening you in, gaze towards those front middle finger. Inhale everything up. And exhale everything in. Back hand down the back leg, turn the front palm to the sky. Up and over, reverse warrior pose. Take a breath. And as you exhale, forearm to thigh, back arm up and over. Extended side angle pose. If this feels fine, stay here. If you want to go further, straighten the front leg, opening into Trikonasana triangle pose. Gaze towards the top fingers. And exhale, release the hand. Step that foot underneath the hip. Take a breath, bringing everything into your half moon pose. Inhale, open the arm towards the sky. And exhale, soften everything down. Step both feet nice and wide. Put a bend in the knees, and as you exhale, softening forward. Forward fold. A couple more breaths. Inhale to fill you up, and exhale. Softening in. One more breath. Exhale there. At the end of the breath, walk the fingertips towards the top of the mat. Press through the hands, step that front foot back. Coming back into your downward facing dog. Take a couple of breaths, pressing through the hands. And as you exhale, lower the feet, the heels towards the floor. Step the left toes in. Inhale, raise that right leg. Coming into your three-legged downward dog. If it feels nice, open the knee back behind you, opening into those hips. Take a breath or two as you round or you roll around in your hips. Like a nice massage for the hips, shifting your energy, waking you up. And when you're ready, step that foot between the hands. Press through the feet. Inhale, everything high. High lunge. Exhale down, a couple more breaths. Inhale to raise you up. And exhale to soften you in. One more time. At the end of the exhale, back heel down towards the floor, opening the hips, the chest. Warrior two. Inhale, raise everything up. And exhale down. Two more times. Inhale up. And exhale down. One more time, everything up. And exhaling. Back hand down the back leg, front palm faced into the sky. Up and over. Forearm to the thigh, back arm up and over. Stretch through that front leg, bring the fingertips in. Trikonasana, triangle pose. Lower the top hand. Bring the front foot underneath the hip. Lift everything tall, coming into your half moon. You can have your hand on the hip if it feels better, or open everything up to the sky, stacking those hips. And then lower that back foot. Bring both feet to parallel, put a bend in the knees. Soften the head, everything forward. For a shoulder opener, interlock the fingers behind the back. Rest them on the lower back, put a bend in the knees, take a big breath in, and as you exhale, lift the arms away from the back towards the head and neck heavy. Squeeze those shoulder blades together as you inhale, and as you exhale, soften even more forward. Take another breath. And exhale. All the way down, release the hands. Walk them back to the top of the mat. Send that front foot back. Downward facing dog. Take a breath. As you inhale, lift up onto the toes. Press through the top of the feet, the bottom of the feet, everything working, waking up. When you're ready, lower the knees, lower the hips, and soften into your child's pose. Take a breath or two. Stay here as long as you like. And when you're ready, gently sitting back up onto the knees for Vrajasana. Bring the hands to the hips or inside of the heels, the arches of the feet. And when you're ready, gently open the eyes. And there you have it. A short routine to bring some energy into the body, to help you wake up, move a little bit. Hopefully you feel nice and refreshed and energized, ready for anything. So if you like that, there are lots more videos just like this that you can practice along with. And if you'd like to join our 15-day free trial for our live online classes, then you are more than welcome. We have 14 classes a week and 4 amazing teachers. So click on the link below and check that out. And we'll see you soon. Bye bye.